Hi, I am a fellow OVO parent. My kids have been attending for 6 years and plan to attend another four. So, like you, I come to parent meetings and listen to our budget concerns. And, I chose this school because of our overnighters and our field trips and our hands-on experiences. So, I understand they require funding, but sometimes get a little tired of asking friends and families for money and to buy things that they may or may not need. I start to feel bad about that. So about a year and a half ago, I found Scrip. I'm not going to go through how to join it. That's a different video, but I want to talk about how to use it. And I'll start with the disclaimer that I am not a coupon clipper and I am not I'm fairly organized, I guess. I have two jobs and three kids, but I'm not organized in the way that I have this all planned out. Oftentimes, I'm doing this in line at the store or in the drive-through at Starbucks. So, first thing you have to do is sign in, and you can do this easy on your phone as well. So, you click shop. Let's go take a look. So, there's a couple of different things. There are physical gift cards. There are the Scrip Now and reloads of physical gift cards you've already bought. You'll see that some places you can only do one or the other. Like Wendy's, it looks like there's only the physicals is available. We'll look at Buffalo Wild Wings. It has all three. So if you purchased a physical gift card, it takes some time to get it, and the details are in a flyer too about when to order and when they come to the school. The Scrip Now means you click on it, you pay through Presto Pay, and that is like through ACH through your account, your checking account or savings account, and that's instantaneous. You've got that e-gift card or e-script in just a matter of a minute or less. Usually, you might take a look and see if there's any delays, but I've used many Scrip Now, and almost always it's been less than a minute, maybe 2 minutes max. The other option is to reload the physical gift cards that you previously bought if you had registered them. So, Scrip Now, I'm gonna do Starbucks to show you how easy it is, because I always, each pay period, I allot myself a certain amount of Starbucks, and I use my Scrip Now to keep me on budget. And so I just already bought one, but then I messed up the recording, so I'm gonna buy another one. But they're increments of 10. So there's the physical gift card, but for me, I always use the e-Scrip Now because I'm probably in line at Starbucks buying it. I'm just gonna buy $10 because I've already bought my budgeted amount. You can see I added it to my cart, and then in the cart, you have a couple of options. You have Presto Pay or check. Presto Pay is super easy. Once you've set it up, which is in another video how to do that, you just enter your PIN and it automatically comes out. Just a note that there's a convenience fee on every order, whether you buy 10 gift cards or e-gift cards or 20 or just one, it's a 15 cents convenient fee. For $10, I'm only getting 70 cents, but it adds up over time. So I would enter that. And once I've submitted the order, I can go back to my dashboard and view Scrip Now. It's only been a couple seconds, so it won't show up right away. It usually takes less than a minute. Touch the page and you can see it's here. It took about 45 seconds, maybe. Click view. And then on my phone, I don't print it out or anything. On my phone, I just show them this. Or even better for Starbucks, just a little quick FYI, you can add it directly to your account if you have a reward account. And I just wanted to make a note. So we were at Buffalo Wild Wings a while back for my son's birthday, just a couple months ago. And, family of five, a few chicken wings and some beer later, it was $100. So I just went ahead and ordered $100 e-scrip here and earned myself, $8 rebate. Different places have different rebates. Some are not that high. Amazon. So a way to help the school is to use Amazon Smile, and then get a script so you're double helping the school. I do that. I did that all Christmas, and even for gift cards for Christmas presents, birthday presents. I have teenagers in my life now, and he doesn't really want toys. He wants gift cards and stuff. So I purchase them here and earn rebates. Oh, did want to point out one thing. So if you reload, if you buy a physical gift card, go back to my dashboard. Hold on one sec. Let's go to script now. So you'll notice there's a script now. It shows me all the scripts that I have recently purchased. If you reload, if you have a physical card, you register it, and then you just reload money right here, and it shows up instantly as well if you use Presto Pay. If you write a check, it doesn't. So for me, I will get gas this way. I bought a gas card, and then I register it, and then I will reload, and most of the time I'm doing it at the pump because I didn't plan so far ahead, and then I earn money that way. I just wanted to show one other thing. So the program years from March 1st to February 28th. So then after February 28th, I'm not exactly sure how long, but the rebate will be applied to your student's individual account. And PTSO does take 12%, which does cover the cost that there's shipping costs and stuff on physical cards and some administrative fees. And then in addition, it's also partially a fundraiser for PTSO. I have $200+ in an account, and honestly, I didn't even use this religiously. But I made a note like, oh, if I'm going to Home Depot to buy some stuff, I know I can get a fair amount back from Home Depot or different places. So it's super easy way to earn money for directly into your own child's account. I didn't mean for this video to be so long, but I am like preaching script because I think would be a huge help in our budget deficit, and it's super easy. It benefits the student directly, and I just can't say enough about it. If you have questions, there is a coordinator and there's a flyer with information, or you can, start with the coordinator. Thank you for your time.